Hi guys, this is Advocate Siddharth Jain with Lexis and Company. Today we will discuss about mere registration of subsequent case against accused by itself cannot result in automatic cancellation of bail in earlier case. It's a Kerala High Court judgment. The Kerala High Court on Friday held that the bail granted in one crime cannot be cancelled merely because the accused has been subsequently booked in another case. Justice Vechu Kurian Thomas observed that a bail that had once been granted ought not to be cancelled on the mere asking, but there ought to be cogent and overwhelming circumstances existing to cancel the bail. The mere registration of a subsequent crime against the accused of itself cannot result in an automatic cancellation of bail. Registration of a subsequent crime is only an indication of an allegation or a complaint of the accused having been involved in a subsequent crime. The presumption of innocence available to the accused in the second time the crime, the right to liberty as a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, which envelops every provision of the Code of Criminal Procedure, are factors which cannot be forgotten by the court when called upon to cancel the bail. The possibility of false accusations being alleged with oblique motives also cannot be ignored. The nature of the subsequent offence and the persons against whom the offence is alleged to have been committed, the stage of the case wherein cancellation is sought, are also factors that requires appreciation. Apart from the above, while arriving in a conclusion to cancel the bail, the court must also consider whether the accused has been misused the liberty granted in such a manner that it has a tendency to interfere with the due course of the administration of justice. Thus, every case presents a unique situation, and every scrutiny ought to be indulged in identity verify whether overwhelming circumstances are indeed present in the subsequent crime which necessitated the cancellation of bail earlier granted, the court observed. Thank you.